We will make a few years the golden age of infrastructure in the Philippines. In other words, we are going to build and build.
As an archipelago, Philippine Island needs infrastructure project that will connect its people from different islands, aside from airports and seaports, which is vital for Philippines' connectivity. Bridges are a critical component of a nation's infrastructure, making it possible to ship raw materials and finished goods, in large scale at lower cost, safe, fast and convenient transport, for its resident, and tourist, and to prosper its economic growth to countryside. One of the core projects of the Duterte administration's Build program are the bridge network aims to provide increased interconnectivity in the Philippines. The following are the bridges that are under construction, and in advanced stages for construction, with the approval of the National Economic and Development Authority, NEDA. First in the list, is the Bada and Kavidi Interlinked Bridge, also known as the Manila Bay Bridge, is a bridge for construction by the Philippine government. It will be 32.15 kilometers long and will cross over the Manila Bay. The 4-lane bridge will connect the towns of Mariveles, Bada and Inay, Kavidi. The bridge will consist of 2 main navigation bridges. The starting point will be located in Barangay Alas Asin, near the Mariveles Freeport area. Then 2 cable-stayed bridges called the North Channel Bridge, the main span of 400 meters, and South Channel Bridge, with main span of 900 meters, will be constructed, before terminating in Barangay Timaland Balsahan, Naik, Kavidi, with the marine bridges standing in water as deep as 50 meters. The detailed design engineering phase of the project is expected to last for 15 months. The bridge will need to be high enough to allow large ships to pass through, since Manila Bay is a major shipping route accommodated by the Port of Manila. The bridge will also features turnaround junction near the Corregidor Island, for sight viewing of tourists, overlooking the historical island. The National Economic and Development Authority, NEDA, approved the bridge project in early 2020 with a budget of 175.7 billion pesos. The implementation of the bridge project is projected to last for 6 years. On October 2020, the Department of Public Works and Highways signed a $59 million engineering design contract, awarded to the joint venture of T.Y. Lin International from the U.S. and Korea's Pyeongwa Engineering Consultants Limited, who are working in tandem with Geneva-based Renarda, S.A., and local firm DCCD Engineering Corporation. In December 2019, ADB approved a $200 million loan as additional financing for the Infrastructure Preparation and Innovation Facility, which supported the government's feasibility study and engineering design for the bridge project. Going to the Central Visayas, in Central Philippines, the biggest bridge project is the Cebu-Cordoba Link Expressway, CC-LEX. Also known as the Cebu-Cordoba Bridge, is a toll bridge expressway under construction in Metro Cebu, Philippines, which will link Cebu City and Cordoba. The bridge will span 8 kilometers, 5 miles, and will be the longest and tallest bridge in the Visayas, surpassing the San Juanico Bridge in Leyte and Samar and the Candaba Viaduct in NLEX. It is to be designed by the Spanish firms Carlos Fernandez Casado, CFC, and Center Ingeniería y Sistemas, while the local firm DCCD Engineering Corporation and the Danish firm COWI will be the owner's engineer. The bridge is being built by a joint venture between Spanish firm Acciona and Philippine firms FB and DMCI connecting Cebu City and Cordoba. The 27-meter-wide, 89-feet bridge is meant to serve an alternate route serving the Mactan Cebu International Airport, serving at least 40,000 vehicles daily. The 390-meter-long, 1,280-feet main span of the CC-LEX will be cable-stayed and will be supported by 145-meter-high, 476-feet, twin-tower pylons. The design of the pylons was inspired from the historic Magellan's Cross. The main span will have a 51 meters, 167 feet, navigation clearance, which allows ships to traverse the bridge. Viaduct approach bridges and a causeway will also form part of the CC-LEX, as well as toll road facilities on an artificial island. The toll facilities design is inspired from the 8-rayed sun of the Philippine flag. As of November 2020, the overall engineering, procurement, and construction (EPC) progress of CC-LEX is at 64.9%, while construction is at 54.5%. The CC-LEX will be managed by the Metro Pacific Tollways Development Corporation. Going to southern Philippines in the island of Mindanao, the flagship project of Panguil Bay Bridge. The Panguil Bay Bridge is a proposed 3.77 kilometers (2.34 miles) bridge, which will connect Tangub, Misamis Occidental, and Tubod, Lanao del Norte. The bridge, when completed, will become the longest water-spanning bridge in Mindanao. The Department of Public Works and Highways (DPWH) are now conducting a geotechnical survey to finalize the design of the 7.375 billion peso bridge. The final design of the bridge will be ready December this year, with actual construction expected to begin early next year. Panguil Bay Bridge is a realization of the promise to make Filipinos even more connected by building a mega bridge that will provide convenient, inter-island travel in the archipelagic topography of northern Mindanao. Through the Panguil Bay Bridge, land travel between Tangub City, Misamis Occidental, and Tubod, Lanao del Norte is expected to be reduced from 2.5 hours to just 7 minutes. The project is funded by a loan agreement between the Philippine government and Korean Export-Import Bank. Next is the Panay Guimara's Negros Island Bridges Project. The Panay Guimara's Negros Island Bridges Project is a part of the National Islands Link projects in the Philippines, and it is one of the flagship projects of the administration's Build program, with a grant and technical assistance from the People's Republic of China government. Through CCC Highways Consultants Company Limited, the feasibility study team has proposed the bridge sites and alignments based on the needs and suggestions raised by the Philippine government. After comparative study, these two alignment were recommended. Phase 1, Panay Guimara's Bridge. It will connect to the intersection between the planned C2 Circumferential Road and Coastal Road at Iloilo City, and stretches northeastwards, and crosses Iloilo Strait, and lands on the island at the north of Buenavista Town, Guimaras Province. The length of the alignment is about 13.1 kilometers in total. Phase 2, Guimara's Negros Bridge. This alignment starts from the east side of Barangay Cabano, San Lorenzo, Guimaras Province, and connects to north side of Pulu Pandan Port, and finally connects to Negros Highway. Another proposition showing the ideal area for Negros connector will be at town of Valladolid. DPWH reported the bridge connecting Guimaras and Negros is estimated to cost 123.8 million pesos, while the structure between Panay and Guimaras would amount to 65.7 million pesos. Included in the list is the proposed Samal Island Davao City Connector Bridge project, which will be linking the two cities in the northeastern section of Davao City and the northwestern side of Samal Island. The proposed bridge has a length of approximately 3 kilometers from Davao City to Samal Island, with a width of 25 to 30 meters. The marine portion of the crossing is approximately 1.6 kilometers long, with a varying seabed depth up to 40 meters deep. Two bridge navigation bridge types, extradost and suspension, are under study to comply with the navigation clearance requirements of vessels, and the airport height limits imposed by nearby Francisco Bangoy International Airport. The project will start at Barangay Vicente Hezon Sr. in Davao City. To Samal Island lies within a predominantly resort-developed areas within the southern section of Barangay Calaclic and close to the border of the adjoining Barangay Lamao. Negotiation to owners on affected areas are still ongoing, since several disagreements were encountered in the affected area in Samal Island, which caused delay on the project. National Economic Development Authority gave a green light for the 23.04 billion pesos project to be part of the Build program, listed as number 42 in DPWH list. The Asian Development Bank came into the picture, and conducted detailed engineering design and projection, that by December 2020, the Department of Public Works and Highways may start with the bidding process tapping China ODA, Official Development Assistance. These are the bridges under construction or in advanced stages for constructions in the Philippines, that will help connect the Filipinos throughout the country. Thank you for watching.
Philippines is known to be an archipelagic country with 7,641 islands. Under Duterte administration Build program, bridges is one of the most priority to boast economic growth, and among with the bridges which are under construction nowadays are: Number 1, BGC Ortigas Link Bridge. The Department of Public Works and Highway, DPWH, is working round the clock to finish the construction of the main bridge of the Bonifacio Global City, BGC Ortigas Center Link Road Project. The BGC Ortigas Link has two parts: the Sta. Monica Lawton Bridge, which will span the Pasig River and connect Lawton Avenue in Makati and Santa Monica Street in Pasig, and the Lawton Avenue Global City Viaduct, which will traverse Lawton Avenue to the entrance of BGC. Despite the halted construction operations the past months because of community quarantine protocols, the Public Works and Highways Department is confident that they can finish the project before the deadline, which is the first quarter of 2021. The Department of Public Works and Highways (DPWH) says travel time for the thoroughfare will only take 12 minutes as motorists will no longer need to endure the heavy traffic flow along edge of this project. Now at 60% completion, a small portion of the bridge is currently being finished. Number 2. Estrella Pantalion Bridge. The Estrella Pantalion Bridge, also known as the Rockwell Bridge, is a two-lane box truss bridge crossing the Pasig River in Metro Manila, the Philippines. It connects Estrella Street in Makati on the south bank of the Pasig River, near the Rockwell Center mixed-use development, to Pantalion Street in Mandaluyong on the north bank, near the site of the Aqua Private Residences. The 506-meter Estrella Pantalion Bridge connecting Estrella, Makati to Barangka Drive, Mandaluyong is dubbed as a future world-class bridge. This mega bridge project is part of the Metro Manila Logistics Improvement Program to ease traffic on Epifanio de los Santos Avenue EDSA. Once completed in February, the 1.46 billion pesos bridge will have 4 lanes from the previous 2 lanes and is expected to accommodate an average of 50,000 vehicles per day. Number 3. Bonando Intramoros Bridge. The Bonando Intramuros Bridge is an under-construction bridge in Manila, Philippines that spans the Pasig River. Once completed, it will connect San Fernando Street in Bonando to Solana Street and Riverside Drive in Intramuros. The bridge will have 4 lanes and is planned to exhibit a steel bowstring arch design with inclined arches. It will have a length of 737 meters, 2,418 feet. The project was commenced in July 2018 and is expected to be accomplished within the Duterte administration. Upon completion, it will carry extra traffic of around 30,000 vehicles per day and ease the traffic congestion between the Bonando and Intramuros districts, and the attractive design of the arch bridge will become a new iconic landscape. BI Bridge project, spanning over the Pasig River and connecting Bonando and Intramuros, is the first China 8 infrastructure project in Metro Manila constructed under the Duterte administration and one of the 12 bridges project on Pasig Marikina River and Mangahan floodway of DPWH, with the aim of defusing traffic congestion along the Pasig Marikina River. Estrella Pantalion Bridge project is now 56% completed, while Bonando Intramuros Bridge project is now 36% completed. Number 4. Socobia Bridge. The Socobia Bridge was apparently named as the bridge-provided pathway across the Socobia River in Bamban, which connects New Clark City to other districts of Clark. The Socobia Bridge, measuring 894 meters long and 29.5 meters wide with 6 lanes, is expected to reduce travel time to about 15 minutes from the world-class New Clark City and its sports hub in Tarlac to the major business districts in metropolitan Clark and Pampanga. This unique, structural and architectural was designed by multi-awarded architects Budgie Royal. The Socobia Bridge is designed to accommodate 6 car lanes and additional 2 lanes for bicycles and pedestrians, and the Socobia Bridge Airport New Clark City Access Road Phase 1 is 88% complete. This amazing bridge does not only cut travel time between New Clark City and Clark International Airport to 15 minutes, but also offers a stunning view and breathtaking river landscape. Number 5. Cebu Cordoba Link Expressway CCLEX Bridge. The 30 billion pesos CCLEX project will have 2 lanes in each direction that will provide safe, easy, and scenic passage to an estimated 50,000 vehicles daily, easing the traffic in the existing Marcelo Fernan Bridge and the Mandoy Mactan Bridge. CCLEX will have 2 lanes in each direction and covers the on and off ramps connection. Along the CSCR, the main navigation span twin pylon cable-stayed bridge, viaduct approach. Bridges in Cebu City and Cordoba sides, causeway, toll plaza and an at-grade road. Connecting to the Mactan Circumferential Road. The span and height of the bridge, which is at 51 meters, will allow large vessels to pass underneath, and the link is expected to serve at least 50,000 vehicles daily. The 30 billion pesos project, which will beef up Cebu's road network to provide motorists safe and comfortable travel experience, is also expected to help spur economic growth and boost investments not just in Cebu City and Cordoba municipality, but also in the entire Cebu province and Visayas region. Once completed, this amazing bridge will ask for a toll fee for the passing motorists. This is because this project is mainly financed by the private sector under the Public-Private Partnership (PPP). Here's the latest progress update of the Cordoba Coastal Road linking to the 30 billion pesos Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway (CCLEX) as of December. Don't forget this video a like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye. Thanks for watching and see you next time.